Hello everyone, this is Bhumika Patil, Senior Lecturer of IF Department in Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology, Bhayandar. In sixth semester of Computer and IF branch, we have new subject emerging trends in computer and information technology. For this subject, we have total 6 chapters. So we start from first chapter, that is artificial intelligence, means AI. When we heard about artificial intelligence, first question comes in our mind is what is artificial intelligence or AI? According to the father of artificial intelligence, John McCarthy, it is a science and engineering of making intelligent machines, especially intelligent computer programs. Artificial intelligence is a way of making a computer controlled robot, or a software think intelligently. In the similar manner, the intelligent humans think. AI is accomplished by studying how human brain thinks and how human learn, decide and work while trying to solve a problem, and then using the outcomes of this study as a basis of developing intelligent software and systems. Let's see what are the goals of AI. First goal is to create expert system, means the system which exhibit intelligent behavior, learn, demonstrate, explain and advise its users. And second goal is to implement human intelligence in machines, means creating a systems that understand, think, learn and behave like humans. This slide shows what contributes to AI, means which fields or which faculties comes under AI, or we apply AI in these faculties or in these branches. The first branch we can see is computer science, then psychology, neuron science, biology, maths, sociology, philosophy. The, there are so many fields that comes under AI, or we can apply AI in that fields. Next, we are going to see the applications of AI, where we apply the artificial intelligence. AI has been dominant in various fields such as gaming. AI plays crucial role in strategic games such as chess, poker, tic-tac-toe, etc., where machine can think or large number of possible positions based on the heuristic knowledge. Next is natural language processing. It is a possible to interact with the computer that understand natural language spoken by humans. Third is expert system. There are some applications which integrate machine, software and special information to impart reasoning and advising. They provide explanation and advice to the user. Next is vision systems. These systems understand, interpret and comprehend visual input on the computer. For example, a spying airplane takes photographs which are used to figure out special information or map of the areas. Doctors use clinical expert system to diagnose the patient. Police use computer software that can recognize the face of criminal with the stored portrait made by forensic artist. Continuing with the last slide. Next is speech recognition. Some intelligent systems are capable of hearing and comprehending the language in terms of sentences and their meaning while a human talks to it. It can handle different accents, slang words, noise in the background, change in humans' noise due to cold, etc. Next, handwriting recognition. The handwriting recognition software reads the text written on paper by a pen or on a screen by a stylus. It can recognize the shape of letters and convert it into editable text. Next one is intelligent robots. Robots are able to perform the tasks given by a human. They have sensors to detect physical data from the real world such as light, heat, temperature, movement, sound, bump, and pressure. They have efficient processors, multiple sensors, and huge memory to exhibit intelligence. In addition, they are capable of learning from their mistakes and they can adapt to the new environment. Here are some examples of AI which are comes from our history. That in 1923, Carol Chapek played named Rosam's Universal Robots opens in London, first use of the word robot in English. Secondly, they found in 1943 neural networks. Next, in 1945, Isaac Asimov, a Columbia University alumni, coined the term robotics. Here is the picture of iRobot. Next example is of chess. Alan Turing introduced Turing test for evaluation of intelligence and published Computing Machinery and Intelligence. Claude Shannon published detailed analysis of chess playing as a search. Here is the robot chess, example of robot chess. Here is the example of Lisp programming that is used in robotics or for we can say it is a programming language for a robot. In 1956, John McCarthy coined the term artificial intelligence, demonstration of the first running AI program at Carnegie Mellon University. In 1958, John McCarthy invents Lisp programming language for artificial intelligence.